Are you suffering from periods pain? Yeah, I know. So only you have landed on my YouTube channel. Don't worry. In this video, I am going to give you 5 healthy, easy remedies to clear your periods pain within a fraction of a second. Without any further delay, we can go to our video. Hi, this is Mrtula Gunasekharan, natural health practitioner, experienced 10 years in naturopathy. Today, I am going to tell you 5 healthy natural remedies to overcome your periods pain. What are all the unwanted symptoms during periods pain? Overall fatigue, irritability, abdominal pain, muscle cramps, muscle pain, and there are so many other unwanted symptoms are there. So, what are all the causes for these symptoms? Number 1, prostaglandins. There are so many types of prostaglandins. Unwanted, unfavorable, elevated, abnormal levels of unfavorable prostaglandins level in your body creates a contraction of uterus muscles. It really causing the periods pain. Number 2, hypothyroidism. Thyroid hormones really plays an important role in contraction of uterus. Number 3, food allergy, especially milk allergy. If you are having food allergy, really if you are having milk allergy, it really causing the bloating in your lower abdomen. It really causing the serious pain during your periods. Number 4, energy imbalances. Number 5, endometriosis. And there are so many causes like this. So, conventional treatments. So, modern doctors, they prescribe ibuprofen, naproxen, and anti-inflammatory drugs to treat the periods pain. Dietary recommendation. So what can we do in diet to clear our periods pain? We have to do 2 things. 1, we have to increase our favorable prostaglandins level in your body. Number 2, you have to decrease your unfavorable prostaglandins level in your body. These 2 can attain by our correction of diet. So, avoid refined, partial hydrogenated, unhealthful oil to decrease your unfavorable prostaglandin levels in your body. Nutritional recommendations. So, what can we do in nutrition? Vitamin B6, vitamin C, zinc, magnesium, they really helpful in forming favorable prostaglandins. So we have to take all these vitamin and minerals to create the favorable prostaglandins level in our body. And you may need vitamin E to clear our periods pain. So the basic multivitamin mineral tablets may need to fulfill all these vitamins, minerals needed. Calcium and magnesium, they are really muscle relaxant. So they really helps in relaxing your uterus muscles. Herbal remedies to treat the periods pain. Ginger, black cohosh, turmeric. In my practice, ginger and turmeric given to so many young ladies and women to treat the periods pain. It really helps in treating the periods pain. 5 home remedies. So, an easy way to overcome periods cramps. Number 1, apply hot water bottle over your lower abdomen till the pain reduces. Number 2, apply heating pad 20 minutes to relax your uterus muscle. Number 3, apply castor oil pack 20 minutes every day for a month. Really helps in strengthen your uterus muscles. Number 4, flaxseed oil. 2 teaspoon flaxseed oil really helps to get rid of periods pain. Number 5, borage oil. 2 capsules a day borage oil really helps and do wonders in treating periods pain. So what we do in naturopathy? Naturopathy, we always treat the root cause of the disease and we have to address the causes of the disease. We have to remove the toxins and we have to find what minerals and vitamins needed, what are all the deficiencies. We have to find that. So we always treat the disease with herbal support. We always give some hormonal balance herbal support to treat the periods pain if it is in the case of any hormonal imbalances. Diet changes, so we always give a fiber rich food or that also helps in increasing your supplements like B6, vitamin 6, like those foods we always suggest. Aromatherapy. So, peppermint, bergamot mint, eucalyptus, these 3 oils are really muscle relaxant. So, take 20 ml of carrier oil like coconut oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, anything like this. Add 5 drops of peppermint oil, 5 drops of bergamot mint, 5 drops of eucalyptus. Apply this combination oil over your lower abdomen. You can apply this oil before your periods also and you can continue throughout the periods. So it is really helping in relaxing your uterus muscles. I am going to share you one recipe to overcome the periods pain. Take 1 spoon of cinnamon powder and take 2 glasses of water. Boil the water, add the cinnamon powder. Make them boil for 5 minutes. Filter it, take out the juice and add 2 spoons of lemon. Take this hot water, sip this water throughout the day. It really helping in relaxing the periods pain. Yoga. You can do some yoga for clearing your periods pain. Bhujangasana, Vajrasana, some backward bending asanas like Ardha Chakrasana. These asanas really helping in clearing the periods pain. Exercise, swimming, walking, stretching, strengthening exercise. These exercises are really helpful. These exercises make your uterus to contract and relax. It gives the exercise to relax and contract your muscle, thus helping in relaxing your periods pain. Hope this video is really helpful. Thank you.